where we're whiling away a few hours before the flight leaves. The Green Lounge. Next to it is the Premium Lounge. By the way, bring your American Express or Diners Club cards with to India because it allows entrance into many of the lounges. If you fly Air China out of Delhi, you are invited into what they call the Green Lounge. And they've got some pretty decent food. Here we have their food array. Paneer. Paneer is a cheese. Dal. Dal are lentils. That's bread, a roti. Rice and steamed rice. And over here we've got coffee, we've got non-vegetarian selections. I was not overwhelmed with those or their vegetarian samosas, but the chicken sandwich had a great kick to it. It was really very tasty. Vegetarian sandwiches, fruit, vegetable soup, salad, yogurt. It looks like an apple pie, but I haven't tried it yet. Try the chicken enchilada, which was pretty bad. Penne and mutton biryani. Biryani is basically a rice. Usual assortment of alcoholic beverages, of which, if you've never tried Indian wine, the Four Seasons is really not bad at all. Well, it's 12:14 in the morning and our flight doesn't leave until 3:15 in the morning. We still have a ways to go. I videoed the Delhi International section before, but in case you didn't see that video, here we go again. Big food court, once again a McDonald's, KFC, noodles, down below the Delhi Bazaar. Now, there was a shop here last time that really had beautiful jewelry and other items, unusual items, but I don't see it right now.